Hi, I'm going to start by asking you a very simple question. Have you ever freaked out at the thought of having to speak in front of a group? Or have you ever freaked out at the thought of making a video and posting it online? If you said yes to either of those questions, then you're like many people, and you're like me. I used to freak out at the thought of having to get up in front of a group. Now, luckily for me, I found a mentor. And what I did was I worked really hard on developing my confidence and my skills of getting up in front of a room full of people or in front of the video, and I now can do it with much more ease than I did in the past. The first time I had to get up in front of a room, I can remember looking at this group of, they happened to be student nurses, and I just wished that the room would open up and swallow me. In fact, I felt like it was going to, but it didn't, and I was stuck there. And I remember thinking, what am I going to do? What am I going to say? Now, I had like a whole bundle of notes to talk to them, and it was enough for 3 weeks, not 1 hour. I had prepared and I had over-prepared. One of the things that my mentor said to me was, you can't over-prepare, but you also need to be ready to just do it. And so my program is there to help you just do it, to help you get in front of that room, in front of that camera, and be yourself. My name is Kay Ross, and I really love to offer you that step-by-step program to develop confidence in front of others. Thanks very much.